English alphabet.
Welcome back to my channel Learn and Play with Shibasish.
A is for ant. A-N-T, ant. B is for beaver. Beaver. B-E-A-V-E-R, C is for cat. Cat. C-A-T, cat. C-A-T, cat. D is for dog. Dog. D-O-G, dog. Dog. E is for elephant. Fat. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. F is for flamingo. F-L-A-M-I-N-G-O, flamingo. G is for goat. G-O-A-T, goat. G-O-A-T, goat. H is for horse. H-O-R-S, horse. I is for iguana. I-G-U-A-N-A, iguana. J is for jellyfish. J-E-L-L-Y-F-I-S-H-Y, jellyfish. K is for koala. K-O-A-N-A-A, koala. L is for lion. L-I-O-N, lion. M is for monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y. N is for narwhal. N-A-R-W-H-A-L, narwhal. N-A-R-W-H-A-L, narwhal. O is for owl. Owl. O-W-L, owl. B is for penguin. P-E-N-G-U-I-N, penguin. Q is for quail. Q-U-A-I-L, quail. R is for rooster. R-O-O-S-T-E-R, rooster. S is for shark. S-H-A-R-K, shark. T is for turtle. T-U-R-T-L-E, Turtle. Turtle. U is for unicorn. 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 V is for vampire bat. VAMPIRE vampire bat. W is for whale. Whale. X is for Xmas. XENURUS. Y is for yak. Y is for yak. 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 Z is for zebra. Zebra.
Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share. Bye.